So many of you are not doing this. You got to start investing in yourself because when you invest in yourself, it's the smartest decision you'll ever make. Now, it could be upgrading your equipment. It could be buying new tools or microphone or lighting or a new computer setup, but it could also be learning as well, like a CSS course or maybe how to do a framework or how to design better inspirational websites, web accessibility. Every tool and every strategy that you gain is going to help to push you forwards. Now, think about where your money currently goes: takeaways, streaming subscriptions, impulse buys on Amazon, Black Friday, and things like that. They may all feel good, or they may only last for a moment, and then that thrill disappears. How often did those comforts that you went and invested in actually move you closer to your goals for your business, for your clients, for your lifestyle? Investing is going to help you grow. Maybe it was a new laptop because it allowed you to edit videos quicker and process things. Maybe it was a course to go and learn CSS because you're a bit ropey on it. Maybe you found another tool like AI that made things more efficient for you in terms of generating content. It doesn't really matter. Whatever you invest in, if it helps you to progress and become a better web designer, a better father, or whatever it is, that's going to help you to move quicker towards independence, success, and freedom. What it comes down to is mindset, okay? You can keep spending on throwaway pleasures, or you can put that money into something that actually changes your life. Remember that the people ahead of you who are doing really well in business, it's not because they're more talented, but at some point they invested in themselves where it mattered. So ask yourself, are you building or are you just spending?